How to remove duplicates from Microsoft Excel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to open your Microsoft Excel. Here as you can see, I had put a small amount of data here with roll numbers here and their category, and of course on the A column there is name of them. So first of all, you have to select all of this data and go for home section on the top, and simply you have to select conditional formatting and go for highlight cells rules, and at last you are gonna see duplicate. Simply click on it and this will highlight all the duplicates, names, numbers and everything else. So select all of that again, simply go to data and remove duplicates. Now here if I select simply column A, it will remove all the duplicates. It will remove one duplicates at one time. So let's go for all of them and hit OK. So now as you can see, it has removed one duplicate from that. Hit OK again. Now we have to select all of them again and again. Click on this remove duplicates, and now for you gonna select column A and hit OK. So there you go. So I hope this video will help you out. So this is how you can remove duplicates from Microsoft Excel.